Hello, friends. It's Miss Dina, and it's time for Mighty Minutes, and we are going to pretend to be wolves. All right, today's Mighty Minutes is called Howling at the Moon. It is going to demonstrate phonological awareness, phonics skills, and word recognition. So you are going to pretend to be a wolf. How cool is that? And I'm going to read this poem, and there are action words in it, and you're going to do the action words. And at the end, we're going to howl like a wolf. Let's practice. Do you know how to howl like a wolf? Howl, 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 howl. All right. So the poem goes like this. During the day, the wolves all play. They skip and slide and spin. But late at night, when the stars are bright, the wolf pack howls at the moon. Howl, howl, howl. Let's do it again. Ready? During the day, the wolves all play. They skip and slide and spin. But late at night, when the stars are bright, the wolf pack howls at the moon. How, how, how. All right, so now you can have this fun little poem to say. You can also think of different action words that start with the same letter. As you notice, skip, slide, and spin all start with the letter S. So if you can think of 3 words that start with the same letter, then you can add it into the poem. You can also show a letter card to the child and see if they can think of action words to go that start with that letter. And another fun variation to this is change the volume of the howl. So, ho, 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 or really loud, ho, 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 ho. I didn't do it really loud just because I'm inside. But you can do it as loud as you want and have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed being a wolf with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.